Joining program. Joining program ain loge ang Choronjeria ex executive member TTADC 2000 meeting kain loge pray approximately 200 above. I think asu ain loge join ka bibinno ada CPIM nito ada o BJP nito ke ordek boro IPF ini baru boto.
Terus kamu edisi election sekarang tahu yang area ini bisingo tipra motor sabota butuh tapi tahu kan?
Onek tabang nih. Agak oro tangjak orona ini atnung wanogor gona sora. Constituency ono jongbat sawit payo. Kita fil Chin baru nih andamno Chin ST Chin Kongbara. Jemon Nationalist Party nih andarono to. Bis kamu kaham nong nih. Finally, ketanai edisi election only 67 I think. 66. Abon ba se chemo. Ako paima se klayo. Karon biskang tay bo hamne. Jongbo nokar ka eto din achuk to mani ke biskang belai no hamne bo arno gono gor gonna sara constituency.
Tamna wan sumung no tin ti promote joining reka.
Ang obo Maharashtra ni je thangchani mari no tui bono logeriwe jin borok ni age bo chung ancholik don khayo tujes che TSF ni tujes khaya abo bini chung bibinno dol IPF boy khai lekha karon abo nai nei mani tabuk ekmatro chini royal family raja ras bongso ni 184 জন raja ni bongso kintu obo Maharashtra jetu netritwa re hamane chini Kongbari thangsan mari belai hamnai tujes chung 6 schedule বা 7 schedule তো বুকা যিনি টিউএস যারা নেতৃত্ব যেমন সমাজরন্ত্রী পরা নগেন্দ্র জমাতিয়া দ্রৌ কুমার ইয়াং তিনি হরিনাথ দেবর মাস মাছায়া মানুয়া বলং বেসিং যেহেতু চিনি Kongbaran বাগে 19 দফা ট্রাইবেল বাউই বড় সামু খাই ফেকা ও সামুনো চং মহারাষ্ট্র থাই অবন সাকসেসফুল খাইনে বাস আসুন বেলায়
I think here itself around 180 plus have joined, and it's not about people joining Tipra Motha. It is about people connecting with us. Why do people join one party to another? That is not important. What is important is that when the Tiprasas come together, how can we change the future of our next generation? I have learned a lot. You're a young man, you're a new reporter, you're a new journalist. I'll tell you something. In life, if you only do politics, you will never achieve anything. But if you love your people with your heart, they know that there's a genuine person there working for them and they come. But then again, I also appeal to my party people that you have to also learn from Bubagra and be humble, be nice, and genuinely love your people. Nobody from outside will come and change your life. We have to take responsibility of our lives. And I have seen that, today, like I gave a message about unity. Unity is not political. It is about your dopa. And I'm dopa. 5 years. Yeah. Those people who are traveling now, who are silent for 5 years, they wouldn't even come to Tiprasa area. Yeah. But now that election is closed, these people have started traveling to Tiprasa areas. So that's why you all are focusing on me. But I have been all over. In fact, I was in Raima Valley and Ganganagar 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Before that also I was there. I've been here for the last 5-6 years. These guys are coming for the first time because election is closed, so they want to show that they really love our Tiprasa people. But the Tiprasa people are very intelligent. They know that who really is for them and who really is here only to ask for votes.
And what is your views?
First of all, young man, I was also a journalist. So there's a difference between being brutally attacked and someone pelting pebbles at
stone.
Pebbles. They were not stones. Stones are big. I was attacked in Mohanpur in 2021 in open CCTV camera. I was attacked in the SDM's office. Did one person ever get arrested? Why? When Bishwajit Dev Burma was murdered by Pinak Nath, the fireman in Kanchanpur, during Pani Sagar, you saw the face of that Pinak Nath fellow. why hasn't he been arrested? When Parmeshwar Young was killed in Gandhatisa, not very far from here, people were arrested. They have been released on bail. When Anjal Chakma was killed 3 months ago, yet the main person who was killed is in Nepal and nobody is making any noise. People have forgotten about it. I condemn any sort of violence. अगर किसी ने कौन क्या नाम है आपने बोला विपिन की गाड़ी में पत्थर फेंका, नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, लेकिन हमको कभी कभी लगता है कि ये लोग भी कभी कभी केस फैब्रिकेट करते हैं, क्योंकि तब उनको पीएसओ मिलेगा और पीएसओ मिलकर तब घूमेगा तो थोड़ा वीआईपी से लगेगा। लेकिन अगर जेन्युइन अटैक हुआ है तो जो लोगों ने अटैक किया उनके अगेंस्ट कार्रवाई हो और उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए। मैं उनको डिफेंड नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं कभी भी क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स को डिफेंड नहीं करता। एंड जब कमलपुर में भी फाइट हुआ था शांतिर बाजार में, सबसे पहले आई वॉज द मैन हु वेंट एंड विजिटेड द लोकल एसडीएम जिसके ऊपर अटैक हुआ था। मैं खुद जीपी हॉस्पिटल गया और मैंने उनके फैमिली के सामने बोला बहुत गलत हुआ। आज तक तिपरा मोथा के वर्कर्स को जब मारा गया है, सीपीएम के वर्कर्स को मारा गया है, कितने बार बिपिन देव वर्मा या बीजेपी भी नहीं, 1-2 लीडर्स ने हॉस्पिटल जाकर घायल से बात किया, एक बार भी नहीं। तो व्हाई शुड यू ओनली आस्क, ये भी माइक उनके मुख पे भी लगाकर पूछे, कभी कभी नहीं पूछेंगे आप, क्योंकि अगर आप पूछेंगे तो आपका केबल चैनल काट देगा, ठीक है, मैं जानता हूँ, तो आप नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन स्टिल आई लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, और अंत में योर वोट, हर वोट, हिज वोट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन दोज पीपल्स वोट, एंड दीज पीपल आर विथ मी एंड वी विल विन।
Thank you so much, bro.